Hey guys, back in another video for you. Today's video is not what I'm going, it's like, it's one of these sit down and talk videos at night because it's nighttime right now, and it's one of these I'm bored videos. So you know what, I'm bored and it's nighttime and I can't really go outside, so here I am in my kitchen. I'm gonna do another video. I had no idea what videos I'm going to do. So yes, I think I'm gonna do like the downstairs bathroom probably like another time, because I mean someone's in there right now and I don't really want to do it when someone's in there. That's kind of gross. So I'm going to show you guys what we have in my fridge, because I don't know, no one's ever done that before and I feel like I need to do that. I need to start the trend of what people have in their fridge. So I'm going to literally, perfect angle, so let's get started the video. So I have a lot of stuff in there, guys. We have, in this shelf here, we have 2 waters and we have 2 milks here. In the second shelf we have all the sauces, and the third shelf we have like cheese and all that. Then we have 2 drawers, and in the first drawer we have a Foster's can and some ham. And then the other drawer we have like vegetables like carrots and stuff like that. Then on the third shelf we have butter, Actimels, ham, one more, strawberries. I'm not going to show you everything in here but some. Then on the shelf after that we have another water bottle, butter, Brussels pate, and fish. Then on the other shelf we have cheese, calamari, sausage rolls, and oh my god, and yogurt. And then up here we have my dad's lunch, bacon, mushrooms, and cheese. And yeah, that's pretty much what's in my fridge right now, guys. So I hope you could see that. I mean, that was really bad, but yeah, so next video, I don't know what I will be doing, but I'll let you know. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.